This is Samantha from Feed Me Leads. We spoke on the phone and I told you that I would send you over the screencast. And so here it is. I'm going to keep it really short and sweet. I'm just going to go through your site really quickly. And then I'm going to give you 3 ways that you can use today for free to start bringing in some more high quality traffic to your site. And so I send these screencasts out with all of this free information, but often when business owners see what I do, how I do it, and how much work is put into it, they decide that they want to team up. So if you watch this through and you feel the same, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. But without further ado, let's get into it. Here I am on the JBS construction homepage. And so the site looks pretty good. It's very user friendly, easy to navigate. However, as I scroll through, I'm not seeing a lot of content. Google is going to be ranking your website based off of around 200 different factors. One of those key factors is going to be content. You want to have a minimum of 1,500 to 2,000 words on this homepage. I did a word counter search and you currently have 627 words. So I would suggest adding in some more content here. You want to make sure that content is quality educational content. Google is going to send out their bots and they're going to crawl through your site and determine whether or not the content on there will help Google's users find the information or the services that they're looking for. Now, in addition to having enough good content, you want to make sure that content is filled with an appropriate amount of high volume buyer intent keywords. Google loves information, and you can strategically place the right keywords within your content to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be in front of when people search for them. A good example of a keyword right here is driveway paving, Waukesha, Wisconsin. Now, this keyword brings in 160 searches per month. So, if you were to convert just a few of those clicks into customers, you'd be doing really well for just one single keyword. Now, beneath the search bar is where we're typically going to see Google Ads. There are none popping up for me at the moment, but Google Ads can be a really good way to get your name out there and build some brand recognition. They're also good when you want to promote a special event going on or an offer that you have. They're also a good fast leads option while you're waiting for your SEO to warm up. Beneath where the ads would typically be, now here at the top, we have our Google Map Pack. The Google Map Pack is extremely important. It can produce huge amounts of revenue. Now, in order to make it into one of these top 3 spots, you need to have a lot of citations. A citation is just when your business is listed on an online directory. So, Yelp, Angie's List, Home Advisor, all good examples of online directories that people use and trust a lot. And so you want to be on more of those online directories than these 3 businesses are here, or any businesses that are in the top 3 spots in the map pack for any of the areas that you serve. Now, be careful when you're putting your information into these directories. Make sure that everything you're entering looks identical down to every last character to the information on your Google business profile in order for it to be counted as a citation. Now I've scrolled down and I've made it to the organic search results. This should be your main area of focus. It's going to be your best long-term ROI. Google has actually come out and said that up to 70% of people, when they type something into the search bar, are going to be clicking on one of these organic search results, and they're almost always going to be clicking on one towards the top of the first page. Now, in addition to having good content, in order to rank organically, you need to have a lot of high-powered relevant backlinks. A backlink is just a clickable text from one website to another. It's basically like one website giving a shout out to another website. And so you want to have these shout outs or backlinks from high-powered relevant sites. For example, if a local turf company or construction company were to give you a backlink and they had a powerful site, that would be a really good way to bring more power to your site. Now over here, I popped onto SEMrush. SEMrush is a really great tool. It is a little pricey, but I do recommend it if you bring it in-house. And so over here, I can see that you have 17,300 backlinks from 334 domains, and you are ranking organically for 592 keywords. So over here, we can take a closer look and see which keywords you're ranking for and how well you're ranking for them. Now you want to focus on buyer intent keywords that are preferably location specific. And so here we'll list all the keywords that you are ranking for, what position you hold for those keywords on Google, what percent of traffic you get from that keyword, and how many people search for that keyword every single month. Now we can take a look and see here, you're ranking pretty well for a few keywords right towards the top of the first page. It goes lower as we scroll down, but you're doing pretty well, particularly for Milwaukee. But there are other areas that you serve too on your website. I see that you have Ozaki and the keyword that we just looked up as well. So I'm just going to type that in. And so here we can see, although you're ranking really well for most keywords in Milwaukee, for a lot of these ones that do bring in a lot of volume, you're ranking anywhere towards the bottom of the first page to anywhere around the 9th page. So since you're already doing so well in Milwaukee, I would suggest going and trying to rank for other keywords a little bit higher in other surrounding areas that you serve. And I think that you could definitely do that very easily because you already have a strong backlink profile, but let's just take a deeper look into that because you do have quite a few backlinks, but from not so many different referring domains. So you do want to take a look and see if the backlinks you have now are high quality relevant backlinks. Not all backlinks are created equal, and some of them can actually hurt your site rather than help. And so we can take a look through here. You want to make sure that all your backlinks have a high AS authority score. And typically, once one website gives you so many backlinks, that can be categorized as a spammy link. And we can also see that quite a few links here are lost links or no follow. And so those aren't really going to bring any credit to your site. But you can go through, you have quite a few backlinks to go through, but you want to make sure that they're all from good, trusted websites that are actually helping your site. But I think that you can rise in the ranks and expand your keyword dominance if you incorporate the 3 things that I spoke about in this video into your online marketing plan. To recap, number 1, more quality educational content with the right keywords, and you want to branch out to keywords in other areas. Number 2, more citations to get you ranked on the map pack. And then number 3, you want more high-powered relevant backlinks. You can go through other competitors' backlinks and find more on your own. And then I would suggest taking some time to go through the backlinks that you have now to make sure that none of them are bringing you down. So that's what I have for you for today. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this and you got something out of it. If you are interested in learning more, you can just email me back or you can give me a call. My number is 714-975-5909. So thank you for watching, and I look forward to speaking with you.